Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today we will talk about the advertisement, the official notification of Assistant Section Officer in Odisha Secretariat. The notification has been released today by OPSC. We will go through the notification and see the highlighted points that you need to know before you go for applying the examination. Okay, so the registration process is going to start from 20th of January to it will continue till 19th of February. Then the last date for submission of online application is 25th of February. 796 is the total vacancy. जोटा आगु अर्लियर वीडियोस रे भी कहितली एंड आई टॉक्ड अबाउट कि डिसेंबर ही वैकेंसी डिसेंबर ही आसीबो डिसेंबर लास्ट आडको कि जनवरी रे सो टुडे इज 31st of December so they release the notification. So anyway, so this is the scale of pay. I have already discussed about it. 35,400 in level 9. So okay, so this is one of the important points. Then vacancy breakup they have given. Unreserved category re 447 vacancy achi, women 149, then SCBC category re 62, women 21, scheduled caste re 109, women 36, scheduled tribe re 178 and women 59. So total 796 vacancy. ता भितर women ପାଇଁ women ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ reservation 265 रो अछि. Okay, so बाकी conditions तो same अछि जो relaxations रहितला सेतरा 5 years relaxation अछि. Then sports person ex serviceman को ପାଇଁ you can go through the entire notification. Okay, so I will only highlighted points जो गुडा को जानिबा दरकार से गुडा को highlight करियो. बाकी notification in detail you can go through it. बाकी जहाँ थिला प्रीवियस रे सेड़ा सब समान अच्छी. सो दिस वाज द एज लिमिट. बहुत पिला कंफ्यूजन होतले 1st of January 22 रु स्टार्ट हबो कि दे विल काउंट फ्रॉम 1st of January 21. So 21 is they have already mentioned here. 21 is the they are counting the age from that date. So accordingly you can calculate your age, and if you are eligible age criteria যদি satisfy होची then you can go for it. Okay, so ये जो 5 year relaxation कथा भी बहुत पिला पचारुतले. So 5 year relaxations already अच्छी जो कैटेगरी रहबा कथा. परमानेंट डिसेबिलिटी is 40% and more. So समान को ପାଇଁ भी अच्छी. You can just go through the syllabus. Our mandatory qualification is you just need to have a bachelor degree. That's it. Examination fee as all other examinations 500 rupees application fee अच्छी. Okay, method of selection सही सेम रही लास्ट टाइम जमती सेमती. फर्स्ट रिटन एग्जामिनेशन हम देन स्किल टेस्ट हम. अगेन स्किल टेस्ट इज जस्ट इज ऑफ क्वालिफाइंग नेचर. 40% मिनिमम स्कोर करिया को पड़िबो. बट यस द कमिशन हैज द होल कैपेसिटी. इट हैज द अथॉरिटी टू डिसाइड कट ऑफ केते रखिबे आउ क्वालिफाइंग मार्क केते रहबो. बट मिनिमम परसेंटेज इज 40%. Okay, so final ranking of candidates shall be on the basis of marks obtained in the written test. Now bakita jo skill test achi that is just qualifying in nature. In case of candidates this is also very important joda highlight karichi ethi. In case of candidates securing same marks in the aggregate, the candidate securing higher marks in general knowledge shall rank above the others. दी जन पिलांकर जदि same mark रुहे, the first priority will go to the GS paper. Okay, general awareness general knowledge जो पेपर टा रही से पेपर जी अधिक रखिबो he will be ranked above the person who has scored below him. Okay, that is the first criteria. And the second criteria is जदि general knowledge mark भी same अच्छी, दी जन overall score same करचंती, again general knowledge रे भी same mark score करचंती, then the age criteria comes. The person who is older, he is going to get the better rank. That's the rule of the commission. Okay, so next, place of examination 33 zones of examination achi. You can just go through it. Okay, Odia language रो जो other eligibility conditions भीतर अच्छी. ओडिया लैंग्वेज निहाती पास करथिबा दरकार. 7th standard रे ओडिया पढ़िथिबा दरकार. तो English medium school ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଅଛି, you can just go through it. I think everybody knows it who is an ASO aspirant, he knows about it. There is nothing new. Working जो माने already working temporary বা permanent condition रे अछंती, permanent clause रे अछंती, they will go for no objection certificate before they apply the examination. That is a mandatory thing. Okay. And बाकी सब eligibility condition almost same अच्छी. So you can just go through the entire notification. Certificates, documents to be attached. एठी आ गोटे नुआ जिनस करिछि, while the last time while the aspirants were applying, there was no need to upload any documents, there was no need to upload any certificates while applying for the examination. This time you have to upload your certificates. And I think it is, if you are mentioning that I have not gone through the, I think nobody has gone through the application form re, whether they are asking for computer certificate or not, I don't know. So last time it was a physical verification of certificates, so the computer certificate is mostly not necessary because it was not mentioned in the certificate list or the document list. Ethera bhi document list re specifically they have not mentioned computer certificate, but you can see the last clause. If a candidate claims to possess qualification equivalent to the prescribed qualification, the rule/authority with number and date under which it is so treated must be furnished with application form. Application form sangre, if you are declaring that I am computer literate, mote computer jana achi, then probably they might ask you to produce a certificate. So it is better to have a certificate for computer literacy, either it is DCA or PGDCA, whatever. So PGDCA certificate is mostly required. So when the application process will start, then it will be more clear whether they are providing you any option or is it mandatory to upload a computer certificate or not. Both pilanka se doubt thila, so I just clarified it. Okay. Technical pillars mostly they will not need it because computer or information technology or computer science is part of their syllabus. So technical graduates might not need it, but normal graduates they might need it. So once the application process starts, then we'll get a better idea about it. Okay. It clearly mentioned that the candidates are to upload their copy of certificates, mark sheets and documents as required by the system while filling of the online application form, failing which their candidature shall be liable for rejection. So this time they are asking you to upload your certificates or mark sheets. So this is different, this is new. Last time empty hey nathla, so this is new. Okay. Grounds of rejection of application, there are various grounds and you can just go through it. If you are not satisfying any criteria, then they are going to reject your application. That's very simple. Okay. So candidates are requested to upload the scanned images of, again, signature, photograph, then left thumb impression you will be uploading, and there will be specifications mentioned in the instructions. So you must go through it and accordingly you must apply. Okay. 2 copies of passport size photographs, and this is new, this time this is new. On successful submission of online registration, a unique permanent public service account number PPSAN will be assigned to the applicant. Candidates are required to take a printout of the finally submitted online registration and finally submitted online application forms and put his or her signature under the declaration for submission to OPSC along with the copies of requisite certificate and documents as and when asked. So basically online, once you are done with your application process, you will receive a permanent public service account number and you have to save it, and you will download the registration and the online application from the portal and you will keep it, and whenever the OPSC asks you to produce all those things, you will have to produce them. So empty last time kichi honutla, but this is new this time. Okay, so keep in mind. Intimation letters to the candidates for document verification and attestation form shall be uploaded in the website of OPSC prior to the date of document verification. Okay, the document verification is done before the skill test. Okay, document verification is done before the skill test. So please be careful about it कि document verification time रे ସେମାନେ जो ଦେଇଥିବେ intimation letters and attestation forms is completely ସେଟା ତମେ fill up କରିକି ଯାଅ. Any complaint on the conduct of examination must be sent to grievance wing of the commission by email. যদি কিছু grievance ଅଛି then 5 days of completion of examination ପରେ you can just send it. Last time there were a lot of irregularities at various centers, so this time they have made a provision that you can directly mail to OPSC within 5 days of completion of the examination. যদি কোটি কিছু এপর সেপর ହେଇଛି you can just mail and OPSC is going to conduct the inquiry about it and they will take action whatever. Then facilitation counter they have provided. If you have any doubt about application process or if you need any technical support, they have provided the number, the dedicated number is there and the time slot is there. You can call them, you can directly ask whatever is your doubt is and you can get them clarified. Accordingly you can apply. Okay, so closing dates, this is very very important. Online registration, re-registration and online payment of examination fees shall be available in the website from 20th till 19th. जो ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन जतिक दिन अच्छी पेमेंट आप सेतिक दिन भीतर करेंगे. Submission of online registered applications can be done in the website from 20th to 25th. जो टाइम रे पेमेंट कले सही समय रे सबमिट कर परिबे, otherwise you will save the application and later you can submit it. But I would suggest as soon as you are making payment, submit the application. While you are applying, be attentive, get all the documents, all the facts, all the data verified before you start applying. सब जिनसे instruction पढ़िले, सब जिनसे ready करके पाखे रखले, then you go for applying. Once you complete the process of application, once you have paid the fees, then submit the application. Do not wait for the last minute, otherwise you might get into trouble. Application might not get submitted. Site पर भरोसा करिए होनी केतेबेले भी problem ही पारे. Okay, so last minute पर्यंत wait करंतु नहीं. Then this is the syllabus. This is one of the most important things you know. Some general awareness, 100 marks, 100 questions, 1.5 hours. Test of reasoning ability and mathematics, 50-50 each. Then 100 marks, 1.5 hours. Language paper, English, Odia, again 200 marks, 200 questions, 2 hours. So then the computer skill test, 50 marks, 5 number of questions, 1 hour. So 40% is the cutoff for skill test. So 40% of 50 is 20. Minimum you have to score 20 and maximum OPSC will decide. Okay. Except skill test, practical, all questions will be multiple choice questions and will carry 1 mark. There will be 0.25 negative marking. So be careful while you are attempting questions. Syllabus, you can just go through it. General awareness current national events, current international events, history of British rule in India and freedom struggle. This is basically modern India. Then Indian constitution from polity part, salient features of world geography, then physical geography of India and Odisha, then important aspects of governance, transparency, accountability, e-governance, role of civil service in democracy, Indian economy and issues relating to planning, growth, development and employment, poverty alleviation, so resource mobilization and inflation, defense and Indian armed forces, scientific inventions and use of science in everyday life, issue of environmental ecology, biodiversity and climate change, important national international institutions, organization and fora, their structure and mandate. Okay, this is general awareness. Then we come to test of reasoning and mental ability, number series, alphabet series, test of direction sense, coding, decoding, number ranking, arithmetic, reasoning, problem of age calculation. This belong to verbal reasoning, then non-verbal reasoning, non-verbal series, mirror image, cubes and dice, grouping identical figures, embedded figures, mathematics, arithmetic, algebra, mensuration, 2D, 3D, statistics and probability. Language paper re, English re, grammar, verb, preposition, adverb, subject verb agreement, error correction, recognition, tenses, fill in the blanks with articles, etc., vocabulary, synonym, antonym. Then comprehension, sentence rearrangement, ओडिया रे रही क्रिया भ्रम संशोधन चिन्हट काल अतीत वर्तमान भविष्य भाषा ज्ञान परीक्षा भितर रही प्रतिशब्द विपरीत अर्थबोधक शब्द क्रिया विशेषण कर्ता क्रिया संबंध अनुच्छेद वाक्य पुनर्विन्यास एटा हेगला कंप्लीट रिटन टेस्ट रो सिलेबस देन स्किल टेस्ट रो कोन रही विंडोज एमएस ऑफिस वर्ड एक्सेल पावर पॉइंट एमएस एक्सेस यूसेज ऑफ इंटरनेट सर्विस see I will make a video on skill test also but there is nothing much to explain here. MS Office is a basic application that is used in office on day-to-day basis. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, I think everybody should know about it. It is going to help you in your official work. MS Access is not used now. It is not majorly used in offices. So MS Access, but it is there in the syllabus, so you should get a preliminary idea. They will ask simple questions to work out something. Windows, again Microsoft Windows, I think 99% of the offices, 100% so to say, use Windows only, Windows operating system. So you should know how to retrieve your IP address of the system. You should know how to find a folder, how to make a folder, how to make a file, how to do whatever, hands-on experience on in a computer will suffice this test. You are going to get through. So do not worry. Internet services, as I was talking about, how to find this, that. So this is, I am going to make a little video on it, so don't worry about it. So that's it. That is the entire notification. I think I talked about the major important points and the entire syllabus. So guys, notification is already out and I think the examination is going to be conducted in April or March last has a very least possibility. I think in April only they are going to conduct the examination. So be ready, get ready, who had a plan to prepare later once the notification is out, because election was there, code of conduct was supposed to be there in place. So a lot of people had the prediction that examination is going to be conducted in the late May or June or whatever, but I always told you that notification might get released in the month of December last or January 1st or 2nd week. So they have already released the official notification. Now you cannot delay, you cannot procrastinate, you cannot take any chance. This is one of the most wonderful opportunity you can get. So I would suggest you to start preparing from today itself. So thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.